In the next few minutes, we're gonna talk about what is happening with the eternal crypto rivalry between the father and the son. First, we're gonna take a look at Bitcoin Cash versus dollar. Then we're gonna jump into Bitcoin versus the same nemesis. And finally, we're gonna clash those two boys. Bitcoin Cash versus Bitcoin. So if you're into either of those guys, stick around and jump with me into the charts. Right into the action. Our first chart, as we said, Bitcoin Cash versus dollar. This is daily chart. Every candle is representing 1 day. The important thing is happening in all the crypto space these days. We are having some consecutive green candles, but we gotta discuss, is this meaningful? Well, first thing to say is it is kind of meaningful, because if we take this as the low point of Bitcoin Cash, around $387, and if we deduct that this $472 is a higher low than this one, then we have a change in momentum, the change in the trend. Until this point, we had lower, lower, and lower low. Now, first time we are having a higher low. Something is brewing, something is happening. To make it more clear, I will draw you this trend line that we just broke yesterday. At the middle of September, we were rejected by it. But yesterday, we managed to break it. This is bullish sign. Now, it's not the definitive breakout, because I would like to see from this high of May a break above this crucial and the significant line of resistance. So after the May, let's say that in September we made that second touch, and now let's see, does Bitcoin Cash have the momentum to break above this trend line and then establish a real and confirmed bull trend? For now, we are having some bullish sign, but as I said, we are still not at the clear yet. If you want to discuss important levels to break, well, it is quite an obvious one. $788 would be the last point where you should be comfortable in the future if that line is broken. There is a lot of weight to that line. We are standing today at $559, so a lot of room. I have no doubt in my mind that in the next few weeks we're gonna retest that line one more time, and if you see the breakout above it, pay close attention, because fireworks could be cracking. Not to make you super comfortable at this video, please notice that on the screen I just put 21 exponential moving average, and the important and very interesting thing is happening right now. We are fighting this crucial line of resistance. At this point, we are above this 21 exponential moving average, which is standing at $554. Pay attention to that level, $554. If we come back below it, then this was all a big fake out. If we regain support above these levels, then we're talking stuff. If you need the proof of the significance of the 21, check out these levels. When we were below that exponential moving average and we were heavily rejected by it, this was a clear downtrend. Right now, we are fighting that resistance, and no, we are not in the clear yet. Pay close attention, don't get too comfortable with this 4 green candles that we are having in consecutive days. Bitcoin Cash still have a lot of work ahead of it. Now let's head to the chart number 2. As I said, Bitcoin versus dollar. And yes, on the Bitcoin, which we are not looking so much on this channel, and I hope that will change, more significant stuff are happening on the charts. Similar things as versus Bitcoin Cash are happening regarding this trend line. The short-term resistance that was confirmed in September is now broken. So the last few days were significant in the price of Bitcoin. Let's see what is the next candle about to do. Right now, at the making of this video, we are standing at $48,000, and if we are strong enough to regain our ground above this trend line, I would like to see Bitcoin traveling above that one. This one, far more bigger and far more important. This is no complicated stuff. I just connected this high of April when we were about 63,000. I connected it to the previous lower high from the beginning of September. Let's break this line and then let's open the champagne. Regarding that 21 exponential moving average, I think this is a far stronger breakout than versus Bitcoin Cash. Look at this huge candle, well above the 21 EMA. And not only that, but if we call the next one in line 34 exponential moving average, which during this mini bear dip showed us the significance of its resisting it, we are above that one also. So this is looking quite bullish in my eyes. Bitcoin is about to do some serious stuff. To put it more simplistically, the bull is back if we are able to conquer these levels that I just showed you, and if Bitcoin is able to hold above those exponential moving average. Let's hold the levels around $45,000 and let's have a clear bounce above them. That will be our final proof regarding the moving averages. And now, the clash you've been waiting for. We fought our battles against biggest nemesis, dollar, and now BCH versus BTC. What's happening between the father and the son is coming up. Now this chart will make some of you very angry and some of you very happy. Let's sum it up. Versus Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash is bearish. So if you are supportive of Bitcoin, the father is still far stronger than Bitcoin Cash. And it's not that I'm taking anyone's side. I'm just a spectator, an observer, a translator. For now, Bitcoin Cash is no match for Bitcoin. We have lower highs, and on this trend line you can see nothing dramatically and extraordinary is happening that we could say Bitcoin Cash is about to do some serious stuff. No, Bitcoin is still the stronger one. And if you want more proof, that guy, the fast one, 21, we're well below it. 34, also same story, well below it. And if you want more confirmation, you have 55. Everything on this chart is pointing bearishness. And those levels that you're seeing on the screen are the levels that Bitcoin Cash will have to break in the future to come. Now, I'm not here to bash anything and anyone, just to point you out the facts that are showing who's the stronger one. Winner, Bitcoin. Cash fans, hold your ground. Your time will come again. Just have patience and follow the charts. Also, let me mention that this is not our first video on Bitcoin Cash. We made a price prediction. So if you are a believer in Bitcoin Cash, in that price prediction I gave you extraordinary number. And I believe that number with the right fuel on the altcoin season could be reached. If you haven't, absolutely check out our video from the past and see if you agree with what I said on those astronomical prices. And if you're agreeing with this video, how about you subscribe to our channel and see what's up in the future to come? How about you like it, smash the thumbs up? How about you share it with someone that needs Bitcoin Cash support? Thank you, thank you, thank you. And now, watch this one. Maybe you need more information that I'm offering you. If that's the case, click the video and I'll see you in the next one. Crypto community, peace.